Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another layout, and this is actually a December daily, December 11th, and that will be the last one that will only have one page. And the reason that I only have one page today is because from now on I want the two pages that are facing each other or together on a layout to be in the same video. So tomorrow, it'll be day 12 and 13, while in the album, day 12 and 13 are side by side. So then you can kind of see what they look like in the album, which at the end, once I've done uploading all the videos, I will have a video where I flip through the entire album. So that will be coming up hopefully shortly, because I have finished my December daily. I finished on January 1st, and I have moved on to a whole bunch of stuff. Like the first few videos that I like to do at the beginning of the year all the time is I like to do my goals video for my scrapbooking in life, and then I like to do a bookish goal video, and then I like to do a video about what I read in that year, because I like to write all the books down in my layout so that I can have that recorded. And also I like to do my one little word. And 3 of those 4 videos or pages are already done. I can't believe it. Today's January 3rd, and 3 of those layouts are already done. I'm going to be working on the other one probably tomorrow now. And then another thing I talked about yesterday was how bloody messy my scrapbook room was. I could not work in that. So the first order of business yesterday, which was January 2nd, was I spent a good chunk of time and I cleaned my scrapbook room from top to bottom. Everything is put back. There's no little bits and pieces left of my December daily. I cleaned my entire desk off. And if you are new to my channel, I did a scrap room tour back in July, so you can see my scrapbook room tour. But I have a desk that is 10 feet by 4 feet, so and every inch of that was messy. So everything is cleaned. I cleaned it all off, took everything off, even stuff that belongs on it, and I washed it down and put everything back, and then I completed 3 layouts. So I think I just needed that, new beginning kind of thing, just take everything down and then start again. But anyway, so that's coming up in the next few days. I'm going to start uploading these pages, including my December dailies. So you'll probably have a few days, a couple of videos, because I want to get these, the December daily done. But anyway, for day 11, I did a lot of greens and red. The top card where the number 11 is, it's a picture of the TV show Big Little Lies. I read the book in December, and then I even watched the TV show. I couldn't find it anywhere except on Crave TV. So you have to subscription, pay monthly, just like you would for Netflix for that. So I did, just so I could watch Big Little Lies, and there was 7 episodes, and I watched the entire thing on December 11th. It was so good. If you haven't read the book, read the book first and then watch the TV show. It is amazing. Then another show right next to it that we have been watching in December, we watched the whole thing in December. It's a new show that's on TV. It's called SEAL Team. And then I took a picture of our Christmas tree and a book that I was reading. And also, I had another massage that month. 2 massages in 1 month. I was really happy about that. My back was killing me, so I needed it. Another thing that I took a picture of, and it's something that I do almost every day, is work on my computer and work on videos. So picture of my computer. And then that last little card, it was just like a filler card, and I just love that little house. So I had to cut it out because it had a little white border and I didn't like that. And then I just put Home Sweet Home with a little bow. I added some enamel dots. This page took me no time at all, 24 minutes, and it was done. And another thing that I said that I'm enjoying with these is that I'm doing the journaling right away, and that is something that is going to be in one of my goals when you watch my goals video, and up to now I'm staying true to it. So I put a few word stickers. One of them says Christmas to tradition with the Christmas tree, be merry with the book, comfort and joy with the massage, of course, and 'tis the season to be jolly. I put it with my computer. And that's going to complete this layout. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. And if you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up and maybe leave me a comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.